Hello friends, good afternoon. Now from today we are going to start the organic chemistry because we are giving the some lectures for the drug and dyes and some lectures for the organic chemistry. So the organic chemistry, the application, one of the application of the organic chemistry is the agrochemicals because we are using our total knowledge of the chemistry, organic chemistry in the agrochemicals. We know that we have studied the synthesis of the various products, making the mechanism of the various synthesis processes, using the various catalysts, various reagents in the organic chemistry in the earlier classes. Now, this organic chemistry reagent, reactants, all these things we are using for the preparation of the agrochemicals. Means this is the application of organic chemistry. So it is a very advantages for the very advantage for us that we are using this chemistry in the one of the biggest branch of the India, because in the India dealing with the 80% of the populations, working populations are dealing with the agricultural farms, and India is the agricultural country. We are producing the various types of agricultural products. We are taking the crops. We have the three seasons. In the three different seasons we are taking the three different types of crops, so that we are the very much related with the agrochemicals. Each and every gramins or micro interiors peoples are associated with the agriculture. I am also associated with the agri. We are in the childhood we are used to see the various pesticides. One of the name is the endosulfans. I am hearing the endosulfan name since from the 25 years, 26 years. But we don't know what is its how it's work and how it's kill the fungus and insect all these things on the plants. But at this stage now, as we are studying the chemistry and as we have developed the minds regarding the chemistry, we are thinking about that. Whenever I saw this the pesticides at our home, at that time, after reading the name of that pesticides, I start to read the chemical name also. And reading the chemical names, there is a literature also given along with that pesticides. I read always used to read that literatures also, because we have developed now. We know the chemistry and all the things are written in the language of the chemistry. So this is the chemistry we are using for the synthesis of various chemicals. This is the scope of the organic chemistry. Organic chemistry opened the one of the most biggest branch for their students, so that they can work, they can synthesize, they can discover and innovate the various different types of products for the welfare of the agricultural and for the more and more fertility and yield of the agricultural plants. So this is the most biggest advantage of the chemistry. So we will start the agrochemicals. So agrochemicals is the chemicals products used in the agriculture to protect the crops from the pests, weeds, and enhance the crop yields. Agrochemicals are classified into the following groups, that is the pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, fungicides, rodenticides are different types of different classes of the agrochemicals. So in the pesticides, Pesticides, there are insecticides based on the chemical nature, inorganic compounds, example arsenic, organic compounds like the DDT, SCH, phenyl, cartinates, etc. And botanicals compounds are the nicotine and the pyrethrimine. Based on the mode of the entry, the stomach insecticides, then the gland insecticide and the fungicides. Next is the based on the action, physical poisons will kill by the suffocations, insect dust class of body moisture killing the insects, heavy mineral soils except the phenyl insect and the respiratory poisons combine with the cytochrome oxidase and inhibit their catalytic activity. Then the nerve poisons and herbicides. The herbicides example is the cocodine acids, disodium, methane, arsenate, phenoxyherbicide. Next is the fungicide example dicarboxamide, caploin, rodenticide example pindones. We start with the pesticides. So, in the pesticides are the chemicals that protect the crop from the insect by killing them, preventing by attack, repelling of the insects and killing the multi-stage insects belonging to the class insect phylum Altrops. Properties of the pesticides are given as properties of the insecticides. Pesticides are the property of insecticides are the compound should be soluble, inactive the compounds to move in the plants, enable the compound to move in the plants. They should have the ability to penetrate into the plant through the roots, stem and the leaves. Example is the chloram, pentade, hydrocarbons like DDT, 2,2 viscomycin ethene, proven to be the extremely effective against flies and mosquitoes. But DDT has a environmentally hazardous due to its long residential light and to its accumulations. So we heard about the DDT. DDT we are using for the killing the malarial parasites. We are nagarpalikas and gram panchayats are when the start of the monsoons or rainy seasons they spray the or in the middle of the monsoon, that is in the middle of the rainy seasons, they spray DDT powders spray so that they can kill the parasites of the malaria and prevent the various diseases which which grow due to the aqueous or more rainy waters. So these are the DDT are the used as the pesticides kill the pest, kill the larva also. So we are used this DDT. DDT is the, but a disadvantage of DDT is stay for the long times where we spray it. So this will disadvantage of this. The remaining part of this topic is the herbicides. We will discuss these herbicides in the next lectures. Thank you.